What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Baby Doge today because, as you can see, we just now broke that 2-0 support that we were talking about here with Baby Doge. So we're gonna go over this and talk about what's gonna happen next inside Baby Doge and the technical side, and we're gonna talk about some fundamentals that's working up with Baby Doge right now. So, anyways, hit the like button, subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that, and I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And if you're a big supporter of Baby Doge, leave a comment in the comment, really, because it helps for the YouTube algorithm, and also it also helps drown out all the haters, because there's a lot of haters in the comment for Baby Doge for some reason. But anyways, also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off if you want that 25% discount. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's go over Baby Doge. So we've been talking about this support level for a while, the 2-0, and we actually broke it. Now we're at 1945. So let's do some technicals here. As you can see, Baby Doge is now going down to that next level that we were looking at 1-8, pretty much 18. So 8Z18, if you want to say. So 8Z18, and that's where we're heading next with Baby Doge. Now, we already broke 1-9, but we're probably going to try to do like a little bit of a rally back to 2-0 or 2-1. But I feel like that's just going to get rejected again. The whole overall crypto market's down. Everything's down. S&P 500, the whole stock market's down, literally. Real estate, everything's down. So it's really not that bad that Baby Doge is down right now. So I'm still bullish with Baby Doge. I'm bullish with the whole economy right now, honestly. But honestly, we're just doing this little pullback. Let's take the little pullback like it's going to come. Like we already knew it's going to come. And then we're also going to get a whole recession that's going to be coming as well. So we're just going to keep pulling back for a little while, but it's going to come back. And look, the recession, I don't even think the recession really started yet. Like this is just a little pullback. We're probably going to see everything start rallying very soon. Now, I'm kind of predicting around 35K Bitcoin still, but after that, I really do believe we're going to continue to rally here with the whole crypto market. So that's going to be really good for Baby Doge. Looking over here at the 4-hour chart, as you can see, or well, this is the 15-minute chart now, but the previous 4-hour chart, you can see that we are at that support. And now looking at it from the 15-minute chart, you can see on the oscillator here a lot of selling volume here for Baby Doge. I'm going to show you some actual transactions where there are huge whales selling huge amounts of Baby Doge. And you already know me in this channel, like I go over the good, the bad, the ugly for everything. And right now it's kind of ugly for Baby Doge. There's a lot of selling right now, and a lot more selling than some people would want to see. But it's just what happens. When Baby Doge pumps, it pumps larger than the whole overall market. When it goes down, it kind of goes down larger than the whole overall market. So it's just how things are. You can see Bitcoin down 4% in the last 7 days. Baby Doge 17% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin down 2% in the last 24 hours. Baby Doge 6.5%. So it's kind of the same thing. Like over here for the whole 30 days, Bitcoin 18%, Baby Doge 40%. But whenever we start pumping, we're going to be pumping harder than the whole overall crypto market, because that's just how Baby Doge does it. Whenever it does something, it does it like 100%. And hey, look, we could be like really down bad, like all the way down like Libero. I'm going to make a whole video on Libero because I still have some Libero coin. And I'm really not pleased with how Libero is performing, because let's be honest, like it's been going down huge since our last peak. And yeah, that's pretty much where I bought in at. I brought like all the way up here, and I guess I kind of FOMO'd in it, but I usually don't FOMO into anything because I just play it smart. But I only put like a few hundred in it, so I was willing to lose it. I just wanted to see in 1 year, will it really give me 158,000% APY, and that's pretty much why I did it. And to be completely honest, yes, it does give you 158,000% APY, but it does that with the tokens, not the price. They keep adding more tokens to the circulation. Imagine if Baby Doge had 420 quadrillion, but every single day they added 1 quadrillion. That's kind of what Libero is doing. Literally, since I bought it, it's literally doubled in tokens. So I remember seeing a video of it at 10 billion. Now it's at 28 billion total supply. And I think it's actually even more than that. I know this isn't a Libero video, but I just wanted to go over this briefly because a lot of people were watching my Libero video. They want me to do an update. I'm going to do the update on Libero. So that's coming very soon. But anyways, with Baby Doge, we still have the potential right now to hit that 1.8 area and continue down to 1.6 from there. So definitely expect that. But like I said, we're probably going to try to go back up here and retest this 2-0, well, really 2080 area. You can see we're now having this reversal to upside. All this green area is buying pretty much. So some buying pressure is coming in. All the red is all selling pressure. So we're getting some buying pressure coming in here with these candlesticks. We're gonna see Baby Doge trying to get back up there, but I definitely feel like it's gonna get rejected probably before it even hits that area. Or probably get rejected here. We had a little bit of resistance here, so you probably would see a rejection at that 2015 area. So definitely expect for that rejection. And anyways, 24-hour market control and controlled by the bears by 100%, showing that we're 100% bearish right now. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you just want to sit back and watch the show. If you don't have any money to buy Baby Doge right now, don't even worry, because we're probably going to continue to pull back a little while, and there's definitely better buying opportunities ahead. And the way that this slope on the downside looks, it definitely looks like it's not done yet. You can actually tell just by looking at it that it's not done. Like, we have not seen any kind of bottom. Like, it would have looked like it was done right here, because it bottomed out and then it stayed at that support for a very long time. Not even very long time, but it stayed at that support for about 2 days or three. And now you can see we're continuing on the downtrend. So if you see a bottom here in Baby Doge, and it's literally from, let me go ahead and take this auto off and move it to the right so you can see what I'm talking about. So let's just say we bottomed out right here with Baby Doge, and it starts here, but then it continues to just continue to bounce off the support. Like, you see it bounce here, go here, 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 here. It do something like that, and do some kind of consolidation. That's when you're probably going to see the pump in Baby Doge. But if we're not seeing the bottom, if we're not seeing a support line, and we're not bouncing off of that and repeatedly bouncing off the resistance as well, and like slowly but surely creating this wedge to the upside, then that means that we're going to be bearish still if we don't do that. So that's pretty much what I'm expecting here. If we continue to go down to this 1-6 area, I'm expecting some sideways trading movement, and then possibly a pump to the upside. But it's probably going to trade sideways for a little while at 1-6 before it decides what it's going to do. It could either be on the upside or it could be on the downside. Nobody knows at all. It could be either one. So that's why, like, I'm just saying, this is a significant support at 1-6. That's what you want to be watching for. We had significant support at 1-6 back here. But enough of the technicals. I want to show you some actual important stuff that matters inside of Baby Doge. Not saying the technicals don't matter, they really do. But what really matters is the selling pressure that's going on in Baby Doge. Now we're starting to get less holders every day, which is expected because the whole overall crypto market is getting less buyers coming in. It's really a seller's market right now. And you can see 907 people new to Baby Doge today, 13.95 trillion coins burned, and lots of Baby Doge sold. Only 6.8 million volume. Most of it is selling volume. So look over here. This is a huge transaction. $204,000 worth of Baby Doge sold in the last 24 hours by this one whale. They still have $1.8 million worth of Baby Doge. Baby Doge is their largest holding, so I'm really not worried about it. But it's still $200,000, 100 trillion Baby Doge sold. They had a whole of 1 quadrillion, but now that they just sold that huge, large amount, now they only have 900 trillion instead of 1 quadrillion. And a lot of other Baby Doge whales are selling too. This one has or sold 54 trillion, which is 110K. Now they only have $990,000 in Baby Doge. And yeah, there's a few more that did some sales, but not as significant as those two. Those were just the two large major Baby Doge whales that were selling. So you definitely want to watch for these whales. Make sure that you plan accordingly, because they are definitely doing it. But all that aside, we are good in Baby Doge. Baby Doge is doing good. Look, so much money added to the burn wallet, right? That's a whole 13.95 trillion coins added to the burn wallet. So $28,000 was burned today within the last 24 hours. $28,000 in the last 24 hours. That is pretty big. And then not only that, we also added a huge amount of liquidity. So you can see the 24-hour change. That's a lot of liquidity that just now got added. 191.21 trillion, which is 388,000. We just now seen two large sales. So a huge portion of those sales went into liquidity, as well as all the other sales that were inside of Baby Doge, as well as all the other purchases inside of Baby Doge. So we literally got 191 trillion inside liquidity, and the contract added 25 trillion coins. So that's a lot of money. That's about $500,000 total added to Baby Doge, almost 500,000. But the way you got to look at it though is whenever the burn comes around, the manual burn, it should be on the first. Hopefully they do another manual burn. They've been doing it every single month since the launch of Baby Doge, so I don't see why they wouldn't do it now. We definitely need it now. But yeah, when they do this burn, they're going to be taking some from liquidity and taking some from the contract. They're going to be taking some from a lot of other places. The deployer, the dev wallet, they take money from all over the place and then they burn it. And definitely as expected, the developers shouldn't have to take from their own money to burn to help the whole Baby Doge army. It should be a collective thing. It should be a collective process. Everyone's money should go to that manual burn every month, and that's why they take from the liquidity. But anyways, moving on from there, this is a wearable from the Baby Doge metaverse that they're gonna have, because remember they're getting land in the central land. They already have the land, but they're having a whole metaverse created for Baby Doge inside the Decentraland. So we're gonna have our own land, and this is gonna be one of the wearables, one of the avatars, pretty much on the metaverse. Now, I'm not too big on the metaverse. I'm probably not gonna be using it like that, but I know a lot of people are gonna be using it, so it's definitely gonna be huge. Like the metaverse is really big, and like especially for like a lot of the younger generation as well. They're really into the metaverse, so can't hate on it. But I guess I'm too old for that. I'm not even that old. I'm like 26, but almost 26. But still, that's not even is not even that far apart. A lot of older people use the metaverse too, but me personally, I'm not really into the metaverse. But yeah, this is definitely pretty big for us. But anyways, this is also huge. So as you can see, $235,000 worth of Baby Doge just burned in the last 30 days. That's 109 trillion Baby Doge. 235,000 in the last 30 days with low volume. We've been having low volume the whole month, and literally we burned $235,000 with low volume. So that's actually pretty big. And yes, we're still supposed to be getting our wallet. The NFT collection is already out where we're supposed to be getting our wallet, the debit cards, the exchange, the arcade, the NFT marketplace. We just got to be patient, honestly, because this type of stuff takes time to make, especially because it's people's money, it's people's livelihood, it's people's life savings and stuff on the line. Like you can't just release an exchange, a debit card, a wallet without getting it insured and all that other stuff. So you definitely want to make sure it's secure, and that's what they're doing. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. And let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. If you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.